GA and Experimental Girl. Say hey!
Hi.
It's Experimental Girl's cooking class starring yours truly, GA, brought to you by Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. Now, I was thinking to myself the other day after we did Major Ric's pretzels, and that was awesome. Sergeant Van, by the way, said he made them, and by 2 o'clock in the afternoon they were all gone.
Oh, yeah.
So I decided, I wonder, what would Uncle Dan's be like on my nuts?
Yum.
Yeah. And
Great, I think.
And when I say my nuts, I mean these nuts, all right? Yeah, these are my nuts, almonds. I love them. I can't get enough of them.
No, he does love those.
And so I decided I would take the Major Ric's pretzels and kind of, do my own thing with the help of Experimental Girl. So number one, we're going to use her cereal bowl. And here you go. You put my nuts.
Couple cups of nuts.
In
Just
her bowl.
Totally raw almond. Yep.
Yes. First thing, okay? Before you put the ingredients like the Uncle Dan's Ranch Chipotle seasoning, you've got to spray your nuts, okay? Because you want your nuts to be moist so that the ingredients will stick to your nuts.
Yes.
Okay?
Any kind of spray oil will do. We're using avocado oil.
Yeah.
A little bit more. I said to the count of 3, holding the button down. There you go.
There you go. Okay. Now the ingredients.
Yes.
Uncle Dan's Ranch Chipotle seasoning, which, by the way, no MSG and gluten-free, Roadhouse. Gluten-free. All right? Uncle Dan's Ranch Chipotle. You want to put that over your nuts. Uncle Dan's on my nuts. Okay?
And then...
Now, if you like a little heat, like our
and
family
we do.
does, yeah, we like our nuts hot. Okay, so if you're a hot nuts fan, you want to do just a couple of shakes of cayenne.
There you go.
There you go, right there. A little more?
A little bit more.
Okay.
I go for it.
Okay, I know you like your hot nuts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we have them in the bowl, and here's what we're going to do.
And this is very much like the almonds. You go to the store, that you pay a lot for a little tiny bag.
Yes.
And they're so delicious, but they're almost too salty.
Oh,
this way,
renegade, runaway nut.
This way we can control the salt or the heat, like we said.
Okay, now
give them a couple of twirls around. There you go. Ooh. Okay, we're going to put them on the cookie sheet here. There we go.
All right.
Okay. We've got just a baking sheet. Pour those out.
Okay.
There you go. Kind of.
Now, if you were just going to be eating all these nuts by yourself, then of course you wouldn't have to use this. But because I believe in sharing my nuts, I use the spatula to make sure that anybody else who's going to be coming in contact with my nuts won't have, anything I had on my hands. So here you go. You just spread them out.
There you go.
Just like this.
And then we have a preheated oven.
Yes.
375. And what we're going to do is toast these almonds.
Yes, 8 to 10 minutes. And check your nuts, because one thing you don't want to do is burn your nuts.
No.
Okay,
burnt nuts are bad.
Oh, ixnay. So here you go. We've got the oven
all
preset,
Yep.
ready to go. So into the oven.
Whoa.
Voila!
Wait a minute.
Magic, baby!
There were a lot more nuts there before, though.
These are magic nuts.
Who's been eating the sample nuts?
Hey! You just keep quiet. Uncle Dan's! Right here.
We love it.